Welcome to Acres. I'm Ben from the Customer Success team, and today we're going to walk through creating a property report so you can share information about your property with colleagues and clients. To begin with, I'm going to open up a property I've already saved. To do that, I'll open up the Portfolio tool. Here you can see my report, which we're going to go ahead and open now. We'll click Open Map. What you'll find when we open the map is that I've done a couple of things to this property. First, I've selected a parcel. Second, I've customized it with some text overlay. And third, I've selected some of these comparable sales in the nearby region to give me a sense of what the value of my property might be. When you want to run a report on any property inside of Acres, simply go to the Export button at the top right. When you click this button, you'll see a number of property report options. The first is a property analysis. The second is an aerial map, which just gives you a simple view, a screenshot of that property. The third is a market analysis for comparable sales reports. And the fourth would be a CSV report. This is going to create a Microsoft Excel file with all of your property data in it. For today's purposes, we're just going to run a property analysis. This is the main report out of our Acres system. To begin one, simply click Property Analysis. You'll get this display that gives you several options of what you might want to include in your property report. Here we can see several different options that we can select or unselect. Several of these options have additional fields that you can include, like estimated value, sale detail pages, and other things. You might also want to create a custom cover page that gives you the ability to add photos and descriptions of your business. To generate the report, simply select the fields you want and click Continue. Then you'll click Generate PDF Report, and you'll get a pop-up that says this report will be delivered to your inbox momentarily. That report will be sent to your email address on file. Let's go ahead and take a look at the report I ran for this property. I did not choose to run a title or cover page for this report, so this is the first image we get, a simple aerial view with our text overlaid on the property. The second page is going to give us parcel details, followed by a soil map, elevation and topography, cropland history, NDVI, FEMA flood and wetland, and importantly, our comparable sales report. Let's take a look at this in a little more depth. Here we have all the sales that we selected around our subject property. We can see the price per acre, when the property sold, and some more information about those properties in terms of their size and location. You'll also notice an estimated value for your subject property here at the top. This allows you to take the average prices of your sales and come up with an automatic value for your property. If you want more detail on the sales that you've included in your report, simply scroll down to the sale detail page. You'll see more information about each of those transactions here. Let's return to the main map for a moment. If you're interested in locating this property report in the future, you want to navigate to your report center in the bottom left. When you click on the report center, you're going to see a number of options here. You can look at reports that you've run for property analyses, you can look at your CSV reports, and you can look at lead lists, which are essentially mailing lists of potential customers in your area. Returning to the Reports tab, we'll see that I just ran the report function here. If I click on that, it will open up that property once again, and then I can go view any information I've attached to that property, including accessing the PDF property report once again. This is an easy way to create shareable content with your logo, name, and branding on it to pass to customers or in the internal audience. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or want to dig deeper, our team is here to help. Visit support.acres.com or reach out to us directly.